Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I am out foraging for chicken food, and whatever the chickens don't eat will become compost, which they will create lots of tasty organisms for the chickens to eat later. But I found a really good spot not too far from the house. It's basically a stormwater drainage ditch, as Sacramento is very flat, and they treat water like it's a dirty diaper, so they want to get rid of it as fast as possible. So I'm surrounded by subdivisions and a school, and this is a kind of like midstream diversion ditch, which leads into a larger one. So basically it's kind of acting like a swale. I mean, I'm surrounded by green plants and moisture in a severe drought, and there's actually a little almost like a creek just over here, a mini one, which is full of water plants and great for me, azolla and duckweed. So got a lot of good stuff to harvest, lots of weeds, cattails, and see how we go. Oh, and there's even tons of what I suspect is deer droppings. I mean, I guess it could be goats if someone's running goats through here, but so we got some interesting larger animal manure to add to the compost as well. All right, let's get into it. All right, here we are back at the casa, and pretty good haul. Got 3 bags of plants, one mostly azolla and duckweed, and then a bag of some what I'm pretty sure is deer manure. Now there's heaps more there I could have harvested, but overloading with the bicycle as is, and also didn't really want to wear out my welcome there without scouting it out a bit further. I mean, I didn't see any no trespassing signs, so as far as the legality of me actually being there, I don't think it's really an issue. Obviously there's a whole migration of homeless people that move through, so you could potentially run into someone who thinks that's their home. So anyway, I think if I was going to do a bigger haul and fewer trips, I'd probably get like a wagon for the bike, but then it does make it a bit more cumbersome to get in and out of there. It's close enough so I could easily just go there every day and fill up a couple bags, and then that'll be the week's haul. So anyway, let's see how this looks in the compost cage. All right, let's start with the manure first. And we'll do put some cattails. A trusty Zola harvester. I reckon I'm gonna have to buy a new one for the kitchen, because no one's gonna want to do that. There is a very nice haul of Zola. And we got a bunch of dock and some sedges. And various, and then we got some willow. Oh, not this one. I forget the name of this one. It's another water plant. That one definitely should be chopped up more, but here we go. This is our dock haul. Some little rushes going on there, and here's our willow. All right, there we have it. Definitely looks more impressive in the cage than stuffed in a few plastic bags. Got some happy, excited chickens. Give them a couple hours to go through that, and then I'll be capping that off with some straw, and because today is compost day, so that'll get turned, and we got more or less a finished compost after a month, so see that in the other video. All right, got the bomb permaculture shirts in the store. Link will be below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.